Hi guys, so for this video I'm using yarn in size 4 medium and circular knitting needles in size 7 millimeters. So I'll start by leaving a long tail and then I'll make a slip knot. Now we need to cast on 82 stitches. This one already counts as one, and by the way you can cast on any way you know how. So now for row 1 I will start by knitting 2, then purling 4. Knit 2, then purl 4. Knit 2, then purl 4. Knit 2, then purl 4. So I'll continue knitting 2 and purling 4 throughout row 1. And now for row 2, I will again knit 2, then purl 4. Knit 2, then purl 4. Knit 2, then purl 4. So we continue knitting 2 and purling 2 throughout row 2. And now for row 3 I will knit 2 and purl 4. Knit 2, purl 4. Knit 2 and purl 4. So we continue knitting 2 and purling 4 throughout row 3. So now for row 4 I will knit 2, then I'll purl 4. Knit 2, then purl 4. Knit 2, then purl 4. So we repeat this throughout row 4. We'll knit 2 and we'll purl 4. And now for row 5, again I'll knit 2, then purl 4. 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 I'll repeat this throughout row 5. I'll knit 2 and purl 4. So now for row 6, I will knit all the stitches throughout row 6. So yeah, for row 6 I'll knit all the stitches, and now for row 7 I'll knit all the stitches throughout row 7. So we just continue knitting all the stitches throughout row 7. And now for row 8, I'll knit all the stitches throughout row 8. Yeah, we'll continue knitting all the stitches throughout row 8. Now for row 9, I'll knit all the stitches throughout row 9. So we just continue knitting all the stitches throughout row 9. And now for row 10 again, I'll knit all the stitches throughout row 10. So yeah, I'll continue knitting all the stitches throughout row 10. So for the pattern, we repeat rows 1 through 10. So as you can see here, for the first 5 rows, I knitted 2, purled 4, knitted 2 and purled 4. For the next 5 rows, rows 6 through 10, I knitted all the stitches. And then, when we start row 11, we will again start by knitting 2, purling 4, knitting 2 and purling 4. So we repeat that from row 11 to 15. And then for rows 15 to 20, we repeat rows 6 through 10. So yeah, for the pattern, we repeat rows 1 through 10. So we repeat rows 1 through 10 until our work measures 22 inches. And now I will chain 3, then I'll drop these next 2 knitted stitches. I will finish off these next 4 purl stitches. Again now I will chain 3, then I'll drop the next 2 knitted stitches, then I'll finish off the next 4 purl stitches. Again I'll chain 3, I will drop the next 2 knitted stitches, then I'll finish off the next 4 purl stitches. Again I'll chain 3, then I'll drop the next 2 knitted stitches, then I'll repeat this for the rest of our stitches. Now I have only 1 stitch left, I will chain 1, then I'll cut this yarn, and now I'll weave these ends in. I'm just gonna unravel these knitted stitches just like this, and we gotta repeat this for all of them. around 16 inches wide. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you like this video and thank you so much for watching.